Memory means your brain holds up the things he understands that you will work in your life, and that's a little tricky process as your brain is taking lots of information from the environment at all times. Think, how many reels do you scroll every day? How many videos do you watch? How many converts do you? The brain has to decide every single second which information is important and who should be deleted. Imagine you have kept thousands of books in front of you. If you try to fill everyone together in your mind, then it's not just possible. So the brain works like a filter. Us full keep things. The rest of the spam or garbage deletes automatically. That's why it is very important to understand how memory actually works and how it can be made strong. That if you really want to improve your memory, watch this video till the end, because the 5 actionable steps mentioned in it will take your memory to the next level. Let's begin. 1. Time your focus so that you use the focus at the right time. First, understand the focus is no permanent state. Focus is not constant. It keeps coming like the wave. Sometimes you feel super active and the information is quickly missed and the mind seems empty even when reading 10 minutes. What this means to learn to work on your most productive time. That is why keep small study seasons of 20 to 25 minutes and read Pomodoro technique or focus waves. Don't force when your mind naturally will begin to tyrd. Take a small break of 2 to 5 minutes. This increases your retention many times. Memory is consolidate and you will be able to remember much in less time. I used to use this strategy at the exam time myself. Study in the small time period and mini refresh breaks in the middle. Result was very much remember and stress also less. To testing or self-quiz. Test yourself. Don't repeat or rear of whatever you've just read or seen, but test yourself. What is the capital of executive installed of remembering? Washington, D.C. is the capital of ice. The capital of United States. Ask yourself United States. Doing this goes into your brain retrieve mode. Prefrontal cortex memory tries to remove data from the bank, and that's what makes the retrieval process memory strong. Ask yourself 1 to 2 hours after the tip read. Write with paper what you remember. I quit the topics of the entire day by myself at entrance exams and had the bill live me retention unbelievably strong. For chunking, break big things into small parts. If you have to remember the whole big chapter together, the brain won't be able to store it. Will be overloaded. Divide the suction chapter into small parts. Remember one part first. Then the second, again the third. Revise them together when 3 parts are cleaned. Gradually the brain start to understand them like a single unit. It's called chunk. Imagine him like suitcase packing. It's difficult to lift different clothing, but it's very easy to lift all the clothes into one suitcase. Memory also works at all on this principle. 5. Use your senses. Use multiple senses. Point 2 centers are the most powerful in strengthening memory. Ege, visual memory, and your auditory memory. Apple is also watching and listening to remember the points mentioned in this video. There are 2 centers active. But you can also activate a third sensation. Hands or touch. For executive comment, I improve my memory. Writing such a thing also makes your hand involved. And the memory is several times stronger than multisensor learning. So do visualize anytime when you learn something new. Imagine, picture. Speak with a rhythm or beat. Write notes. This once reads for a long time. 6. Rest and recovery. Recharge the brain. Breaks are not a waste of time. Give are part of learning. Because the attention cannot remain continuous high. After every 20 to 30 minutes of studies, take breaks of 2 to 5 minutes. But most important is sleep. Because memory actually stores in sleep. Whatever the read throughout the day, brain makes improperly organizable and stores during sleep. And not just sleepy movement or exercise is also very important. During the exercise, body B, D and F makes protein name which strains memory inside the brain like cement. Information is like bricks. But if there won't be cement, it will fall. So do a little physical activity every day. Such as walk, skipping, cycling, push ups, anything. Hopefully this video will be genuinely helpful for you. Specialty: you are preparing for students who are preparing for the exams.